Hi guys, welcome to my 1 minute video. Share ko lang sa inyo yung 7 nutrients na pwede natin makuha sa okra guys. Number 1, rich in nutrients okra, boasts an impressive nutrients profile. Very good. Number 2, contains beneficial antioxidant. Number 3, may lower heart disease risk. Oh my god, it's very nice. Number 4, may have an anti-cancer properties. Wow, that's nice. Number 5, may lower blood sugar. Wow, that's all I need. Number 6, beneficial for pregnant woman daw, makakatulong sa mga nagbubuntis na babae dyan. So, kumain kayo ng okra guys. Easy to add in your diet. Number 7. That's all good guys. You should try this. Actually guys, kinakain ko to ng fresh. Ayan, pagkapitas ko, kinakain ko yan ng buo. Thank you for watching guys. That's the 1 minute video for today. See you tomorrow.